Today is day 29 and we're going to be weighing the chicken at the same time we're going to be giving them the second dose of Gumboro vaccine. Since we already gave them the first dose when they were 2 weeks old. So as you can see, it's well packed. For preservation purpose, we use cold pure water or whatever. You can use ice block just to preserve the potency of the medication. So just take a look at how I'm going to do it. This is how it looks like. For the sake of those people that doesn't know how it looks, that's how it looks. So I'm going to use my nose plier to remove the lid, the cap. Then I just throw it into the container containing the water so that the content can dissolve. Of course, I'm going to assist it to hasten the solution. So having done that, you don't want to eat the bottle, you have to throw it away. But if you can do something else with it, no wahala. But in my own case, I just throw it away once I'm sure there's nothing left in the container. And I'm going to top it up, since I always use 4 liters of water to dilute 100 dose. In this case, we are not using milk, unlike the first dose we gave them. That was 2 weeks ago. They were at tender age, so it might be too harsh for them. I'm not using milk this time around. I'm not using milk. So let me share it into the containers I'll be using. I decided to share it into 4 containers so that all of them will be able to drink it simultaneously at the same time. Yeah, so the next thing right now is to distribute the vaccinated water. So let me do that. See the way I'm rushing, so I just have to place the water at the desired spot, and once I'm done, I ensure that all of them have a sip. Those ones that are hiding at the corner, I try to chase them out to go and drink water. Go and drink water, Joe. So in your own case, that is what you have to do too. You must ensure all of them drink the water, because in 30 minutes time, whether they finish the water or not, you have to withdraw that water and replace it with fresh water. So just for you to ensure all of them have a sip, that is how you have to do it. That's the remaining bag I have left. That's the content of bag number 5 that we opened 3 days ago. So I'm going to empty it into the feeding trough, and that will be the end of bag number 5. The next thing I'm going to do is to also assist these ones. These are the PRM, passengers with reduced mobility. In this case, it's BRM, birds with reduced mobility. So I think the mobility reduced since it was 2 weeks old. So what else do I want to do? Let me just weigh my chicken.
Do anything when you fit to one for you. Give up my games for you, living my life for you. Nobody else got service, swear that you're enough for me. Cause you can make me beg for it. For your lips and love your whole body. You gon' make me scream your name, Connie, and you gon' make me show you say your name start to run. Oh, check us, baby. Oh, check us,
Week 4, 1.53. That's supposed to be our target. Some of them they outweighed and some were below, but overall they are doing well.